Here I have the DJI O3 air unit and the T-Motor Mini F7 HD FC, and this has a HD connector output which is supposed to be for HD0, Voxnail or DJI. I have the O3 here, but the connector is actually not correct. It's mirrored, and the 10 volt is on the opposite side of the 10 volt on the O3. So this connector, if you were to plug this in, it might just burn your O3. And to fix this issue, you just have to take all these pins out and just place them back in the opposite way. So red would go where yellow is and black would go where brown is. I can show the actual outputs here. You can see that 10 volt is on this side, and on the air unit is on the opposite way. Might not be seen on camera, but you can take my word for it or check on your own FC. So yeah, just before plugging in, check if it's correct, because it's not plug and play for every FC. This connector is not really standard, and in this way it works with the HD0 VTX, but not with the O3. For the O3 you would have to remove these pins and mirror them, like just place them back the opposite way. If this wasn't keyed, this would just plug in this way and it would work, but yeah, the connector here is keyed and on the FC, so you can just do it the other way, remove the pins, or you can directly solder, which is also fine. But be sure to check for your own FC. This is the FC I have, and yeah, just check before you plug in, otherwise you might burn your O3.